How to underline text in Adobe Acrobat. First, head over to acrobat.adobe.com and log in. Click on Edit a PDF and upload the file you want to work on. Once your file loads, look for the comment icon in the top toolbar. It's the little space bubble. Click on that to open up the commenting and markup tools. From the toolbar, find and select the Underline text tool. It looks like a T with a line underneath. Now, simply click and drag your mouse over the text you want to underline. The text is instantly underlined. Want to adjust how your underline looks? You can change the color of the underline using the color tab that appears when you click on the underline text. Need to add comments? You can click the underline text, then use the Add Text Comment tool to explain or annotate why you underlined it. And that's how you underline text in Adobe Acrobat. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.